Now you're going to go ahead and you're not going to hit plus like we normally do. If you scroll down, you're going to see an Instagram post. If you don't see it, you can go to view all. And then you're going to have to scroll down. There's a couple different ways to get to it. You can also do plus, and then it will give you an Instagram post over here. One of the things I like about Adobe Spark is it gives me a lot of options to get to the same place. Basically, we just need a square. So that's step one, getting the correct size. You want a square. The second step is we're going to be using a layout, which we have never used before. So you're going to go over to the right-hand side and you're going to choose layout. And then for this, we're just going to choose a banner layout. And then I want you to go ahead and choose a color scheme that you like. And then you can kind of shuffle, scroll through there, figure out what it is that you want. Step two, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to add your type. So you want to choose one word that describes you. So you're going to go to text, and we're going to start from scratch. One word that describes myself. I would say caring. Now, I don't want this shape behind it, so I'm going to go ahead, go over to shape, and then I'm just going to turn it off for what we're going to do. And then my dark is not going to work, so I'm going to have to choose a lighter color. Perfect. And then for my text, I need a darker color. You're going to see here in a second why. And then I'm going to choose a font that I like. That is definitely not a caring font. That is not a caring font either. So part of the reason I'm saying this stuff out loud is to kind of get you to kind of see my thought process as I'm making some decisions. I feel like that's caring. But then what I want to do is I want to fill my type with that space. So I want my word to kind of really fill that whole area. I'm just going to center it in there, make it look good. Okay.